Laytime calculation.
Assalamualaikum to our lecture. We are from group of 15 consisting of Muhammad Imran bin Hamdan, Khairul Aiman bin Syahrul Nizam, Muhammad Fawaz Adli bin Kaharudin, me Halibah binti Arsad, Naju Atira binti Kamsa Elias Kamal, Nurul Nadira Rosli Elias Muhammad Nur Azman, Putri Sofia Nur Najiha binti Abdul Razak, and last Nur Fazira binti Muhammad.
What is laytime and demurrage?
My name is Najwa Atirah binti Kamsa Elias Kamal. I will explain about the laytime and demurrage. First, laytime can be defined as the amount of time allowed to a ship in a voyage charter for loading and unloading activities cargo at a port. If a ship fails to complete the work during the allotted time, the ship is required to stay at a port for a longer time, then the demurrage is incurred to the ship owner. However, if the charterer requires less than the defined laytime, the ship owner might be required to pay to the charterer. These terms are predefined by the charter party, dealing with the whole process, and it may be set in a running days, working days, exclude Sundays and holidays observed by the port, or whether working days, excludes in addition days where operations are prevented by the bad days. Next, demurrage. Demurrage refers to the charge of the merchant pays for the use of the container within the terminus beyond the free time period. To prevent the demurrage charge, you must have a backup and land courier for the movement of goods and containers. Investigate whether other ports with the less congestion are available if demurrage is the issue. Demurrage are very important because shipping companies are charging higher detention and demurrage at ports in an attempt to free up containers for other ports with fewer delays. Demurrage is paid by the importer to the shipping line. Whether it is the importer or the exporter, paying will depend on whether the fee is charged at the beginning or end of the ship journey. Demurrage will only apply after a set number of free days have elapsed. Each port facility has its own standard for the number of free days that are allocated, and the figure is negotiated on a contractual basis. Generally, it is anyways between 3 and 7 days.
Factor laytime that does not count. Factor laytime that
does not count. Whether exemption a common factor of laytime for laytime calculation does not count. It is important to consider whether the exemption in this situation related to the definition of the day, such as a working day, where the weather will determine whether or not time will run. Second, weekend and holiday example of this kind of parts are Sunday and holiday include SHINC, Friday and holiday exclude FHEX, and so on. The time from Friday 1700 hours thought Monday 0800 hour does not count. Is one tactic used frequently by character to extend and exclude period. Third is general clause. This may include a wide variety of events, many of which are in a rather archaic language, from accident to war or from rebellion to strike. The main intention of the section is to let the character to stop laytime after it has begun. But it is so important, keep in mind that only expressly indicated exemption will permit the character to do so.
charter party clauses. Charter party clause.
Next is charter party clause. I will explain 5 charter party clause in this video. First, bunker clause. Bunker clause is state that the charterer at the port of a delivery should pay for all the fuel oil in the vessel's bunkers, and conversely, the ship owner should pay for all the fuel oil in the vessel's bunkers at the port of redelivery and the current price at the respective ports. Second is ship clause. Ship clause is state that the ship is seaworthy at the commencement of the voyage in every respect, and the ship owner must undertake in this clause. Next is ice clause. Ice clause is included in the bill of lading or in a charter party contract when a vessel is going towards for a port or port which may be close to shipping due to ice when the vessel arrive off or after the vessel arrival. Fourth is litterage clause. Litterage clause is the state all of the ports of discharge that are safe port in a certain range. For example, Hamburg range where litterage can be done. And lastly is number 5, negligence clause. Negligence clause is state that the ship owner is excluded from any liability in case of damage or loss resulting from an act, default or neglect of the master marine pilot or the carrier servants in the maneuvering of a ship.
Laytime calculation.
Question.
This statement of facts show the information of vessel your ship. The details of the vessel's operation have been shown as the statement given. The question given is to compile details, timesheet, and calculate demurrage or dispatch due from the statement of fact. There are few steps to solve this answer. The first one is to find lay time allowed. Then make a timesheet table. After that, we can find lifetime use. And lastly, with the step above, we can find demurrage or dispatch.
Laytime allowed.
For this part, I will explain about calculations laytime allowed. Laytime allowed is the amount of time that has been agreed upon in a shipping contract for the vessels to load or discharge cargo at a particular port or terminal. Laytime allowed is typically specified in a shipping contract, and it may be expressed in terms of a certain number of hours or days. So, for the calculations, time allowed equal to amount of cargo to be loaded divided by loading or discharge rate. So, equal to 20,000 tons divided by 5,000. As a result, time allowed equal to 96 hours or 4 days. Thank you.
Prepare the timesheet.
For the timesheet, 3rd March, Monday, 1500 hour, vessel arrived Buenos Aires Road, 1700 hour, notice of readiness tendered. 4th March, Tuesday, 0700 until 2359 hour, loading commencing. Total lead time is 17 hour. 5 March, Wednesday, 000 hour until 2359 hour, ship loading. Total lead time is 24 hour. 6 March, Thursday, 0000 hour until 2359 hour, ship loading. Total lead time is 24 hour. 7 March, Friday, 0000 hour until 1200 hour, ship loading. Total lead time is 12 hour. 1200 until 1400 hour, loading stop because of rain. 1400 until 1700, ship continues loading. The total lead time is 3 hours. 7 March until 10 March, Friday until Monday, 1700 hour, Friday until 0800 hour, Monday, loading half count day. Total lead time is 12 hours. 10 March, Monday, 0800 until 2359 hour, ship loading. Total lead time is 24 hours. 11 March, Thursday, 0000 hour until 2359 hour, ship loading. The total lead time is 24 hours. 12 March, Wednesday, 0000 until 1900, loading complete. The total lead time is 19 hours. 2200 vessel shell. The total time used is 159 hours. Thank you.
Laytime used.
Calculation laytime use. Laytime use refers to the amount of time that has been taken to load or discharge cargo during the agreed upon laytime period. In shipping contract, the laytime allowed for the loading of discharging cargo is usually specific, and the charter is typically required to pay demurrage if the laytime use excess the agreed upon laytime. Laytime use is an important consideration in the shipping industry as it affects the vessel schedule and the cost of the voyage. Laytime use equals 70 plus 24 plus 24 plus 12 plus 3 plus 12 plus 24 plus 24 plus 19 equal 159 hours, equal to 2.625 days.
Demurrage.
For demurrage, I will tell you how to calculation of the demurrage. Demurrage is a fee that is charged when the agreed upon time for loading or discharging cargo is exceeded. However, dispatch is a payment made to the owner of a vessel for the speed and efficiency with which a voyage is completed. On the other hand, both demurrage and dispatch are important consideration in the shipping industry, as they can affect the cost and schedule of a voyage. As we can see that this is the calculation of the demurrage. Time allowed minus time used equal 96 hours minus 159 hours equal 63 hours of the demurrage equal 2.625 days. 5,000 USD per day of demurrage equal 2.625 multiply 5,000 equal USD 13,125.
Conclusion. 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 Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.